8th grade. Welcome to day 23, 8th grade edition. In this edition, we're going to talk about what you're doing right now in our coding unit. So in week 5, I was kind of sad yesterday. Not a lot of you posted on Wednesday. So that was a lot of points missed out on. But again, that's your choice to make it late. Day 23. Keep on coding. When you get to day 23, what you will find in the folder, you will find instructions, you will find a discussion board again, and you will find an attendance check. So in the instructions, not only can you find this recording, because daily now I'm going to post the recordings into the actual instructions. That way they're different for grade levels. So it just makes it easier to put them in here. So here you go. We're going to log into CodeHS. You're going to take a screenshot of completed lessons 1.4, 1.5, 1.6. Make sure your name is in the shot. Post it to the discussion board and then go work on lessons 1.7, 1.8, and 1.9. Okay, so let's take a look at what does that look like when you actually do it. That looks like right here at the discussion board, we're 30 points again today for those 3, 10 points a lesson. And as you can see, here are all my screenshots. What you're looking is for nothing to be yellow. I think now they've updated, since I did these, they're green when they're the assignments, but all teals and greens. No yellows or you'll lose points. So here I am. I have lessons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I actually only needed 4, 5, and 6 in this screenshot, but I also needed my name. So I had to make it a little bigger of a screenshot. So I need to be able to see lessons 4, 5, and 6 finished and your name, and you're posting that to the chat box of the discussion board. And then probably a partial screenshot works the best because you can draw what part of your screen you need. And then the attendance check. Remember, after posting the screenshot, you're working on 1.7, 1.8, and 1.9. And I'll be posting tutorials as well again into that tutorials folder that you see out in the main lobby here of the week 5 folder. So there were some for 1.2, 1.3. Right there in the CodeHS tutorials. And last but not least, where is Ms. Watts today? Where is she? She has gone to... Where's Watts? There we go. I actually did go here. I mean, it's still Wednesday night right now as I'm recording this, so I went here tonight. I like to go there on Wednesdays when the new stuff comes in. But I am at the Aldi today on day 23, doing some grocery shopping. I always mess up when I go to the Aldi though, because you need that quarter to get a cart, and I never have a quarter on the days that I need the cart. Big problems in my world. Okay, but one word today, Aldi. Have a good one. Again, any makeup work is due by Friday. That's tomorrow. So you got one more day to get in anything. And remember, if you are turning in late work, you also must submit a late work form. So if you don't submit the late work form, I'll never know you submitted late work or check or grade it. So you need to go into Google Classroom, click on that classwork tab, and submit a late work form for each item you're turning in late. So any item that you're turning in late, you need to complete a late work form. That way your name ends up on my late work form grading sheet so that I can get to it. For instance, here we go. Make sure when you do submit something, you name it. So you can see some people have done it. You can't just put day 5. I will not grade it if you do not actually tell me what assignments. So actually none of these were, not only were they not done, but they weren't even gradable. So if you're going to submit late work, you do need to take the correct name off of Schoology and tell me exactly what it is you are doing. So for instance, here we go was a good one that actually told me we are in Spot the Difference. And also make sure you're telling me the right cycle. We're in cycle 1. And your class period. So depending on when you meet with me, you could be period 1, period 2, period 3, period 4, 8, or 9 and 10 is how it goes. So make sure you're putting the right information, and you can always find that as well on your Google Classroom. If you have never noticed, or your Schoology, if you've never noticed in the heading bar of your classroom when you're on class stream, right there is where the period is. Okay, so this would be period 1, cycle 1. Okay, so have a great day and get in anything you need to.